Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So tonight guys, we're going to do an unboxing of 5 beautiful and fun paintings from Amazon. So let us begin. The first one, they call it Sunflower. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the colors on this one. It's a full diamond drill and it's a 30 by 40 centimeters. It has 25 colors. And it's $6.73. So what do we see? Well, we have this beautiful watering can. Love the color. It's like a blue turquoise. And then it's got, obviously, it's got flowers inside the watering can. And then you have some butterflies flying around it. And I believe these are flowers also. And then, of course, you have the green grass. And I love the background. The background is basically like a tablecloth background. Sort of like a picnic. So I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. It's very, very bright and very clear. And it's gorgeous. See the butterfly and the beautiful flowers. And there goes another butterfly up here. And of course, the beautiful watering can. Okay, so of course this painting, just like all these paintings, they come with, of course, the drills and the kit. There you go. That was a struggle. So it comes with a tray, some resealable bags just in case you don't have the containers, wax, a pen, and of course a comfort grip that goes on the pen to help you with your hands. So let's put that aside. And these are the colors. So I apologize for the sound, but I've got to get them out. And that cannot be helped. All right, so these are going to be beautiful, bright colors. All right, so let's see. Let's start with this one here. Oh, wait, I forgot to turn this light on too, so you can see better. All right, so we have yellow. I think this is maybe blue or black, maybe black. And this is like a gray, like a blue gray. You have a green. Some pinks. This is going to be for the flowers. This is a very pretty, like an orange color, or in the orange family. It's like a pink purple, yellow, and this is like a red orange. Okay. Let's put that there for now. And then over here you have some white, and that looks probably for the background. This is like a mustard color. This is like a blue-green. Oh, look at all these blues, guys. That's probably for the watering can, you know. Beautiful. And of course, this is probably for the flowers. Pink, more blues, more greens. This is a very, very light green. Some yellow, more oranges, and more greens. All right, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's go on to the next one. And let's put that over there because that goes with that painting, and we do not want to mix the drills. All right, and this one again, Sunflower, $6.73. All right, move that one over there. The next one I just love. It's called Cow. This one is also a full drill. They're all full drill diamond paintings, and they're all round. Okay, this is a 30 by 40 centimeters, 33 colors, and this one was $7.18. And I love this one, guys. This one has a red barn, and then you have sunflowers, and then you have 1, 2, 3 butterflies flying around, and then of course you have a very, very happy cow. I just love the hair on the cow on the top of his head, or her head. And yeah, just adorable. Let me bring it up so you can see. Very, very clear. Happy cow. See the butterfly right there. And what's the other? There's another butterfly right here. I thought there were 3. Oh, here was the other one. So 3 butterflies. That's very, very pretty. Okay. And this comes also with a tray. Actually, this has 2 pens, some wax, and of course the comfort grip, and a resealable bags. All right, the same thing. Let's open this up. I apologize. All right, let's begin with these colors here. This is like a pinky color. You have some oranges, some greens. This is like a burnt orange. This is like a red. Actually, this is probably for the barn. This is like a no, I wouldn't say sage. It's like an, I mean, no, not olive, maybe olive green. This is like a red, or in the red family. Some greens, some grays. This is like a blue gray, and that's black. That's probably for the cow. And some peachy colors. And then over here you have gray. This is like a blue color, more blues, so turquoise, green, brown. Oh, I love this color. It's like on the purple family. Some greens, and of course, yellow. And yellow is probably for the sunflowers. So very adorable. Did I do all the colors, guys? Did I leave? Oh yeah, I forgot this one. So here you have more blues. It's probably for the butterflies. That's like a coffee brown. More blues. This is like a gray, more blues, and the white. And the white is probably also for the cow. For the happy cow. Okay, so that goes over there. That's for the cow. And this one is, what did I say? It's also full drill. And it's $7.18. Okay, so let's put this one over here. The next one is called Butterfly. And I love this butterfly, guys. Well, first of all, it's a 30 by 30 centimeters. It's got 26 colors. And what else? It's a full round. And this one cost $5.99. What I love about this butterfly, guys, is everything. It's all the colors. And half of the butterfly, as you can see, it's got the wings. But on the other wing, you have flowers, which is beautiful. You know, and then of course look at the colors on the background. And then you have the moon. It's just gorgeous. It's very clear too. Let me bring it up. Love the colors on this. All right, so this one also, like all of them, tray, wax, pen, and comfort grip. Here are the drills. I'm gonna just move this up a little bit here. Ooh, look at the purples in this. Gorgeous. Okay, so here we have, this is all in the purple or plum family. Let's move this over here a little bit. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Then this is like a blue purple. I think this is black, purple, blue. This is like a, maybe like a salmon orange color. More grays, pinks. This is like a yellow orange. This is like a very beigey color. This is like a brown, green, salmon, purple, or in the purple family, brown. Lots of these colors are more, I think that's probably for the bottom here on the background. That's really pretty. Greens, lots of greens, and browns, gray, white, and like an orange, yellow orange color. Beautiful, guys. And this one is $5.99. Two more to go. So this goes with this butterfly bag. That way I will mix them. The other one. The other one is adorable. It's called Chicken. And as you can see, it's a full drill. It's a 30 by 40. It's got 30 colors. And this one is $5.98, and it's adorable. It's the mama chicken, and she's got her baby chicks here. She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chickadees. And then she has, this is her little nest. And you see a fence, a white picket fence, some grass. And then you have a beautiful happy blue sky, some clouds, and of course the red barn. And the mommy chicken looks very, very happy. So I'm going to bring it up. Very clear also. All of these are very clear, guys. Look at those chicks. Adorable. Okay. Here we have, again, same thing. Tray, wax, comfort grip, pens, and resealable bags. And of course the colors. And here we go with the sound. Cover your ears, guys. All right, let's put that down here. All right, should begin with this one here. Okay, this looks like a black. This is like a red, orange, gray, gray. This is like a darker gray and lighter gray. Some reds, lots of reds here because of the barn and the chick and the mama chicken. And this is probably for the chicks. Orange, yellows, yellow, orange, brown, and like a gray color. Here you have, oopsie days, you have whites. That's probably for the chicken, and so look like in the red family. Here you have the blues, probably for the sky. Lots of greens. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at all the greens. And then you have brown, lots of orange, yellows, blues. These are probably all for the sky. And browns, or in the brown family. Okay, but this, where's the bag for this? Because I do not want to mix anything. Okay. Yeah, that's too close to that one. Let's put that over there. Okay. And this one, like I said, is called chicken, and it's $5.98. And the last one. The last one is called flowers. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? So bright. This is a 30 by 40. It's got 32 colors. It's also a round, and it's $7.18. And not only does it have flowers, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dragonfly right here, and there's another dragonfly here. See, that's the body. These are the wings. The body and the wings. And then, of course, all the rest is just flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very clear. Okay, there goes the dragonfly, the flowers, and then the other dragonfly down there. And look at those flowers. Wow, the colors. Okay, again, same thing. Tray, wax, resealable bags, pen. I don't think I need this tape. Let's get that out of here. Okay, and let's see. Ooh, oh, I see special drills on this one, guys. Yep, regular drills and special drills, which makes it especially special. Especially special. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this one. All right, this is sort of like a burgundy color, very pretty yellow, purples, black, that's probably for the background, and then you have lots in the pink family, and orange. These are probably for the flowers. Wow. I am loving this one. Okay. Then you have oranges, blues, lots of greens, brown, or in the brown family, blues, greens, purple, blues, white, and here goes the special drills. Oh, wow. And I'm assuming that these special drills probably go, you see, maybe in these spots, you see that? Like in the middle of the flowers, and then some out here where there's a plus sign. Yep, that's exactly. It's these round ones here, because I can see it right here on the legend. And the one with pointing up, the arrow, because that's in the middle of the flowers, and the plus sign. So the plus sign, is it the plus sign? Yeah. Where is the plus sign? Right here. All these are plus signs. It's gonna be gorgeous. All right. So let me bring them all back. So this one is flowers. They call it flowers, but I would call it flowers and dragonflies. And this one's $7.18. Oh, I gotta bend over to get them. Okay. And then you have chicken, $5.98. And we need to push this back because we can see the glare. Yep. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, so then we have butterfly for $5.99. Then we have cow for $7.18. And sunflower for $6.73. So they're all beautiful, guys. They're fun and they're happy and they're just gorgeous. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And thank you very much. And so take it easy. Bye-bye.